distance relay. Figure you can see this is also called as impedance relay, distance or impedance relay. So the operating torque, the working principle of distance relay. My sound is clear? Operating torque is directly proportional to the impedance of the circuit. Therefore, this relay is called as distance relay. This relay is called as distance relay. Okay? Operating torque is directly proportional to impedance, that is impedance V by I. That is equal to Z, impedance. Okay? And operating torque we can write the equation is directly proportional to that is Z. This is the operating principle of impedance relay. Voltage divided by current, that is impedance. And impedance I can also write with Z and Z is proportional to distance. So operating torque is directly proportional to distance or impedance. So relay is called as impedance relay. Any doubt? Diagram for impedance relay you can see. This is a diagram for your distance relay. So in impedance relay, torque is produced by voltage that is in opposite direction to the torque produced by current. So torque is directly proportional to voltage and torque is inversely proportional to current. You can see here, torque is directly proportional to voltage and torque is inversely proportional to current. So the relay operates on ratio V by I. Relay operates on ratio V by I. Okay. So under normal operating condition, what we are having? Normal operating condition, relay is operative or inoperative? Under normal operating condition, impedance Z is equal to V by I. Impedance Z is equal to V by I, or that you can write equal to voltage at substation divided by fault current. So this is an at normal condition. This is a at normal condition. This is at normal condition. Okay. Then when relay operates, whenever there is a fault, the fault current changes, voltage changes. Okay. So you are having normally Z, it is the impedance. Z impedance, I can write ZL. Okay. So this is at normal condition. Now, when ZL, that is a load impedance, when fault occurs, load impedance reduces. So you will have new Z or Z. That is when fault occurs, impedance reduces and new Z is less than ZL. Relay operates. Relay operating condition. Okay. So relay operates. If Z is impedance when fault occurs. You may write it as I will make change. ZF is when fault occurs, fault impedance is less than load impedance, so relay operates. Understood? Hello? माझा आवाज येतोय का? मी काय लिहिलंय ते समजलंय का? लिहिलेलं दिसतंय का? समजलंय का? अरे समजलंय का? दिसतंय का? Are you able to understood what I have mentioned? So here the relaying operation. This is the circuit breaker. Near to this circuit breaker, this is a relaying system. This impedance relay is provided. This is CT. Okay. Now this is Balta you are having. So this impedance, this is a ZL. This is a ZL. Hello. This is ZL. Now whenever there is a fault, then new impedance Z fault which is less than ZL. Okay. So this CT will sense more current flowing through circuit, normal current, and when there is a fault, there is a faulty current. So impedance reduces, current increases. So impedance relay will sense this and relay will operate. This circuit breaker will operate to isolate the fault. Okay. There are certain types of distance relays. One is called as definite distance relay. Definite distance relay. definite distance relay. This is one of the type of distance relay. Okay. So this relay particularly definite distance ki definite impedance relay. You can see the diagram. Are you able to see this diagram? So definite distance relay. So in definite distance relay, this operates instantaneously for a particular fault for a predetermined distance. Definite means the distance or impedance of relay is defined earlier. Okay. So you are having this diagram. You can see this is the voltage, this is current, because distance relay operates on ratio of V by I. So this is voltage, this is the current, CT. Then you are having this voltage coil, current from CT fed to this current coil, voltage from PT fed to voltage coil. Okay. This is pivot, this is armature, okay, and this is strip circuit. Okay. So two magnets are mechanically coupled. You can see here, coupled to this beam with pivot. Torque is produced by electromagnet in opposite direction, which we have studied. Torque is proportional to V and torque is inversely proportional to current I. So torque produced by this is in opposition to torque produced by this. Normal operating condition, relay is inoperative. Under normal operating condition, because of the voltage element and because there is a pull on both sides. This side pull because of voltage, this side pull because of current. Okay. So due to this, relay is inoperative. But when fault occurs, voltage decreases and current increases. When impedance reduces, 1 minute.